I am standing in front of my art on products. This is an incredibly magical moment because I've never seen it on anything but the things that I've printed it on. I can't wait to open it. Yeah, let's try with this one. I have no idea what it is. This is crazy. This is from Brooklyn. Oh, whoa, look. Oh my God. This is so cool. This is better than I thought, to be honest with you. I like the image quality. Whoa, look at this. This is so incredible. So yeah, cups, wonderful. All right, let's go on. Next we have the most held object in the modern times. Phone cases. I'm holding so far two very different finishes, and then the third one, again, different. I'll show you. And it's great because I can see the difference between the printing quality. It's wonderful. I think I prefer, there's a one that's matte. I'm assuming this is gonna be protecting the phone better, but as an accessory, that's plenty. And I mean, what an accessory. I'm blown away by the execution of the glossy image. I don't think I've seen my art on a better surface yet. I mean, I still don't believe this is happening. This is great, I love it. Hello? This is my first sample of my art on fabric, and this is great. I love the colors, very precise, I have to say. And I'm happy about the fact that you can see the difference in blacks. The beauty with Printify is that you can use the design and put it on products and not necessarily have to have the stock. All you have to care about is coming up with interesting designs that other people like, and then let them pick. So my first step in this whole process was to realize that there's a demand for my artwork. Now that I have tried it, I know that I will keep doing it because I like the result. I like how my art looks on everyday objects. Hello? No, I cannot talk right now. I need to check my Instagram.